How long do you have to go to the doctor after a slip and fall in Brooklyn? After a slip and fall in Brooklyn, the clock starts ticking faster than many people realize. Even when you feel mostly fine, injuries like concussions, soft tissue damage, and back or joint trauma often show up hours or days later. A personal injury attorney in New York notes that seeing a doctor promptly is not just about protecting your health, it also creates a clear medical record linking your injuries to the fall. Brooklyn slip and fall lawyer Samantha Kucher stresses acting quickly and documenting everything from day one. Under New York law, you must prove that your injuries resulted directly from the slip and fall. Insurance companies scrutinize delays. Even a 1-week gap between the accident and your first doctor visit can weaken your claim. Delays of more than 30 days often result in reduced settlement offers, and some insurers will deny claims entirely if treatment is delayed beyond 60 to 90 days. Comparative negligence rules allow courts to reduce damages if the defendant shows you made your injuries worse by not seeking timely care. Doctors recommend seeing a physician within 24 to 72 hours of a fall because this window provides the best chance to diagnose injuries that may not hurt immediately. Soft tissue injuries, concussions, and internal bleeding can take hours or days to show symptoms, and waiting longer than 72 hours makes it harder to prove your injuries came from the accident. Some injuries demand emergency care. If you hit your head, cannot move a limb, or feel severe pain, go to the nearest emergency room because traumatic brain and spinal cord injuries can be life-threatening. Brooklyn has Level 1 trauma centers at NYU Langone Hospital Brooklyn and Maimonides Medical Center to treat fall-related trauma. Time limits also affect your ability to file a lawsuit. New York's statute of limitations gives you 3 years from the date of the fall to file a premises liability lawsuit on private property. If you miss this deadline, you lose your right to sue even if your case is strong. When the accident occurs on government property, you must file a notice of claim within 90 days under General Municipal Law Section 50E and then file the actual lawsuit within 1 year and 90 days. Courts strictly enforce these deadlines, and the clock starts on the date of your fall, not when you discover your injuries. Many people delay treatment because adrenaline masks pain, or they do not realize they are hurt. If symptoms appear days later, see a doctor immediately and explain that your pain started or worsened after the accident. Document any reason for delays so your attorney can present it to the insurance company. Follow your treatment plan. Skipping appointments gives the defense ammunition. Keep a symptom diary. Early medical records create a timeline, and detailed documentation gives your lawyer leverage in negotiations. Juries expect injured people to seek medical care quickly, and consistent treatment shows you are serious about recovery. Document everything from the start. Photos, witness statements, medical records and incident reports support your claim. Hire a lawyer early. An experienced attorney knows how to deal with insurers. At Kucher Law Group, our Brooklyn slip and fall attorneys serve clients throughout Kings County and New York. The law firm investigates accidents, gathers evidence and fights for your rights. Call Kucher Law Group at 929-563-6780 or visit 463 Pulaski Street No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221 for a free consultation. Contact the law firm today to learn how it can guide you through the process.